Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essential prerequisites. You must be using the Traveler and have progressed to a statue of the 7. Once at the statue, stop moving and open the interaction prompt. This is the first actionable step. Make sure you're not inside a domain or combat and that co-op is disabled because the change only appears when solo and on the overworld statue. Do this now to access the elemental swap menu and move to the selection stage. Once done, the statue presents the element list available for that region. Pick the element you need by selecting it and confirming the change. You'll see the Traveler's skill icons update immediately because the skill set and elemental reactions change with the new vision. Make sure to read the brief confirmation text so you know what clan of abilities you'll gain. Remember that talents, ascension progress, and gear don't automatically reroll. You'll adapt build and playstyle after the swap. To finish, immediately tailor your artifacts, weapon, and supporting characters to the Traveler's new element. This maximizes reactions and damage. Test basic rotations on a weak mob and make small adjustments. Reactions and shield needs change. If the change doesn't register, relog, confirm game updates, and ensure you were at a statue of the 7 and not in co-op. Visiting a different regional statue can fix regional element availability. That single troubleshooting tip resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.